Hey guys, it's Dean from B&D Adventures. I just spent the day on the water. It's time to clean the boat, and I'm keen to try out the new Salty Captain products. Alright guys, so I got the Captain's Rescue box. So it comes with engine flush and the salt wash for your boat, and also includes the Captain's musket, which I've pre-assembled. So let's give it a go. And pop that straight into here. Oh, start that motor. Forward! How easy. Alright guys, that definitely halved the time washing the boat and motor. Highly recommend it.